Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is vanAmsen. Today we have an exciting problem at hand, generating Pascal triangle using recursion in Go. Now, Pascal triangle is not just a mathematical concept, it's like a rite of passage for every programmer. So, whether you are preparing for interview or just enjoying problem solving, this one is a classic. So, are you ready? So let's dive into problem. So before we write a single line of code, let's understand what Pascal triangle is. So it's a mathematical construct where each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it. And the challenge today is to generate this triangle number of rows using recursion. So now why recursion? Because it naturally fits this problem, and the n row of Pascal triangle is built upon the n minus 1 row. So here is a very nice animation that exemplify how it's processed. So the first thing in any recursion function is the base case. So for Pascal triangle, if num rows is 1, we simply return a 2D slice containing a single slice 1. So, and next, we will make a recursion call to generate the triangle up to row minus 1. So let's implement it. So if num row equal 1, return int 1. And triangle will be generate num row minus 1, and previous row will be triangle, then triangle minus 1, and var new row int, and new row will be append new row 1. And for I 1 less than len previous row, increment new row will be append new row, previous row I minus 1 plus previous row I. And new row will be append new row 1, and triangle equal append triangle new row, and finally return triangle. Okay, so this is our implementation. So once we have the previous row, we build the new row, and the first and last element are 1, and the rest are the sum of adjacent element in the previous row. Yes. So and we then have a new row append. So new row append complete the triangle, and finally we append this new row to the triangle and return it. So let's run it to verify it's working. So yeah, all good. So now we can also submit it for unseen test cases to verify it's working. So yes, as you can see, it's working, and we beat 100% with runtime, and it took just 0 milliseconds. So all good, and that's it. So generating Pascal triangle using recursion in Go. I hope you found this session insightful, and for other implementation in Rust, C++, and Python, I will provide link in the description below. And remember, recursion isn't just a programming technique, it's a way of thinking. So keep coding, keep recursion, and let the algorithm flow. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more awesome coding content. Keep practicing, happy coding, and until next time.